Hey guys, sitting on this flat here, just seeing if they're fish, kind of exploring. I've seen a few little largemouth, but and some fry, but no big fish. Spider on my life jacket here. No big fish on this flat, but there's some fry back in here. Oh god, big spider on my jacket. I'm just looking around for fish here, and I'm not seeing any. Alright, can we make it over this log? Yeah, this is a... Oh, no we can't. Oh, there's a nice bass sitting there. That's a good fish. Check him out. That's a good looking bass right there. Oh man, we gotta get that fish. That's the first good fish we've seen on this flat here. I hope you guys could see that fish. Water's really clear, so you should be able to. But I'm gonna sneak up on this fish here. That's a nice bass. Where'd he go? Come on. Where's that fish? There he is. Alright, let's get him. Just gonna sneak up onto him. That's a 2-pounder. Check that out. See that fish there? That's pretty sweet. Let's put this bait on his head, huh? Now he doesn't want anything to do with that. He's just cruising. There we go. He looked at it. He looked at it and then shied away. That's a nice fish. He's going up to that log there. Come on. Eat it. There he is. Fish on. Got him. Yes. I got that bass you're looking at. Haha, that's cool. Nice. That's so awesome. I'm so stoked right now. We just saw that fish sitting there. I was like, let's see if we can get that fish. He's not as big as I thought he was, but that's a solid bass. Oh wow, that's a nice fish. This is the first good fish we've seen on this flat. I've seen a lot of little fish. And then there was this one guy sitting there by himself on that big log. Oh boy. Alright, there's a bass. Look at that. On the fluke. Haha, that's so cool. Alright, I have to figure out how to back out of here. Okay. Let's put the fish down in the boat here. And the rod too. And we will back out. Oh boy. This is one of those oh dear moments. Alright, let out some line. Whew, that was exciting. I saw him. That's the first fish in a while I've been able to do that with. Come up on a flat. See him there. That's a nice bass too. That's a chunky fish. I'm gonna weigh him up just because I want to see. I want to be able to tell. Ah, spider in my eye. God, spider's still on my life jacket. There we go. That's a good fish. That's about the size of the second smallmouth we got. Alright, let's weigh him up. See how much this guy weighs. Then we'll release him. Alright. Oh my. Scale's flipping out at me. Hold on. Oh. Stop that, you stupid scale. Alright, come on. $113. Alright. Look at that. That's so cool. I'm pumped I got that fish. It's a good bass too. That's a good bass. Look how small his mouth is compared to his body. Alright, let's let the fish go. Ooh, that water's nice. No wonder you like it down there so much. Alright, there he goes. I bet we'll see him for a little while here. If I back out, I can see him. I don't know where he went. Where'd he go? He might be hanging out under my boat. Well, nice fish. Good stuff.